Good morning. Today on the bench we have this package. Let's check what do we have right here. Also there were some old capacitors maybe. Okay, so this one is Aiwa HS-PX610. Straight away what I can see that one of the pinch rollers are but have indentation. What about another one? Another one is okay. So let me grab battery and we will test it. Okay, so I grabbed the battery. Let's connect the headphones and we will see what do we get right here. Maybe let's use another one. This one maybe. Okay. Very strange thing. It looks like it is ramping up. Yeah, very strange. Okay, let's open the device and we will see what is maybe wrong straight away. Well, straight away I do not see any major issues, but let's open the device. Let's remove the board. maybe this chip is the problem. I have another one maybe in stock, but I will have to check if I really have this. Also, capacitors, maybe they are okay, but let's remove and let's see. Okay, so I'll start stabbing with my tester and we will see. And I have changed those capacitors again, also checked all the connections, resprayed with contact cleaner all of the switches, and I think right now maybe we'll try device. How does it work? And if it's not working, then most definitely the main chip may be gone. So let's put this PCB back into the device. Okay, so let's check why do we have that huge wow and plotter for this device. Oh, just look at that. Something is wrong. Yeah. I think I see the main problem. Maybe you also can see. You see how dirty that pulley is, and I think we have the same issues with these pulleys also. Yeah, you can see how dirty they are. So let's clean them. Look at that. How much stuff there are. Okay, so I'll clean it and I'll be back then. Okay, so I have cleaned everything, also oiled so that it will last much longer. Regarding customer's belt that was put in, it is, in my opinion, too soft and too stretchy. So, and it was contaminated by that goo that was still on those pulleys. So I'm not gonna use it, and I'm gonna send it to the customer if he would like to get it, and I'm gonna use correct belt for this machine. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on and then proceed with other stuff. Okay, so belt is installed. Now I will proceed with full assembly. So I will put on this PCB and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's check tape speed and wow and flutter again. So potentiometer for speed correction is over here. Let's grab a cassette for tape speed and we'll check. It is still kind of big wow and flutter, but after all cleaning and everything lubricating, this is the result that I managed to get. And let's check what speed do we have on the other side. Now I think that would be kind of okay. And as we can see on other side, we have a bit better wow and flutter. Why? The hell knows. Because everything is cleaned super nice, and maybe my tape is sticking a bit, but this is what we can achieve with this device, yeah. Okay, so next step would be to check the Dolby levels. So till then, okay, so let's check Dolby levels. To check Dolby level, points are right over here. So this is ground, this is right point, right channel, 108, left channel, 94, 95. So actually it is in range what specifies service manual, and because there are no way to adjust it, it is what it is. Actually, you can put some potentiometers inside the device, but 106 and 98, so well, it is what it is. And it's in the range that service manual specifies. So that's it. I will now just assemble the device. Okay, so finally, let's test the device. Okay. Okay, so rewind, fast forward, play. Also, DSL now, all the functions are working fine. So this is it for this Aiwa HS-PX610. This was kind of a challenging repair regarding that DSL circuit errors and also volume control error. What I have also done, I have manually a bit adjusted azimuth, because straight away in one direction it was fine and in another direction it was way off. So I managed to achieve some adjust in this way, like in the sweet spot, yeah, for this device. So this is it. I hope you liked the video. Please consider support my channel, and also please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.